This video is about SSC's combined CHSL DV admit card. Some of us face a problem in downloading the admit card because the Commission has already given a notification on the 24th of June 2021. Let's read the notification together. This notification says the document verification of eligible candidate CHSL 2018 will be conducted by Northern Region of the Commission in a phased manner. Read this line carefully. First phase of document verification will start with effect from 5/7/2021 till 10/7/2021. Information regarding other phases of document verification will be uploaded in due course of time. This means that document verification, if you cannot find your admit card on the website for now, that means you are not in the first phase of document verification. You may be in the second phase or you may be in the third phase, so you don't have to worry. Admit card of candidate to be called for document verification in first phase will be, so this is already given here. So first phase document verification candidates are given on 29th of June 2021. Therefore, candidates of CHSL 2018 are advised to keep a close watch on the website of the Northern Region of the Commission for downloading of admit card for time to time. So you have to check the website time to time so that you don't miss out when your admit card is issued. Thank you.